I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. Welcome back, and we're going to keep working on our website. So I'm going to scroll down. We've done all of these panels so far, and now we're going to be working on a testimonial panel and another panel with some ice cream in there, and then the footer actually. So we've got just 3 more panels to go, and we will have built out this website. So let's go ahead and jump into our editor and find our testimonial panel, and then this panel, which we actually already pulled in once already, and then the footer panel. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go into the editor, and now we're going to look for those panels, the first one being the testimonial. So I'll click Add and Panel, and we're going to look for the testimonials. So there we are right there, and we'll scroll down and see if we can find that exact version that's on the current website. So there it is right there. I'm going to click and add that to the site. And I'll scroll down and put it all the way at the bottom. So I'm going to click on that and just click the up button one time. And now that panel is actually on there and ready to go. And then we need to add the one that we added before. So that was in the Add, Panels, and in the Banner area. And we just scroll down until we found the ice cream one. So we'll just keep scrolling until we find that one again. And there it is right there. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to add it to our website. And remember, put it all the way down at the bottom. So there it is right there. I'm going to click on it, click the up button, and now we've got that panel actually ready to go really fast. And it looks like we're not going to need this blank panel at all, so I'm going to click on it and click delete, and that's fine. And now we've got one more panel to add, which is the footer. So I'm going to click the add button and then panel, and I'm going to close out the banner area. We'll find the footer area, and we'll find the panel that looks a lot like the footer that we had before. So it looks like that one right there. So I'm going to click add to it. And it's going to put it down at the bottom, just like it's been the whole time. And there it is right there. So now we've got this panel added and it's ready to go. And we can change the text just a little bit because it's not quite matching what we have on our example page. So let's take a look and see what it's supposed to say. So on the example, it has politics and it has contact us. But here, the button is actually yellow and orange. So let's go ahead and see if we can change that so that the button here is yellow and orange. So here's our form. I'm going to click on the form to activate it and get to the settings. And then I'm going to go down to the background and click that. And you can see that it's blue right now. But if I click this color button, I can choose for it to be yellow. So we'll just pick a yellow color. Yellow like that, which looks great. And then the background, when we hovered over it, it was an orange color. So we'll pick an orange color. There we go. And oops, we need to change that color to yellow. So we'll go back in here and click on the form to activate it. And we'll go to background and we'll change that to yellow. This one to orange. And then we're going to click Save. And we're going to click That's Fine for publishing. And now we should have a button that's yellow. And when we hover over it in the preview, it should change to orange. Let's check that out. So I'm going to go to Preview. And there you can see when we hover over it, it actually changes color. And then we've got the contact information and then any other information that you might want to add there. So let's go back to the editor and take a look at what we've got so far. So far, we've got all of the panels that we've worked on, including this top header panel that includes a menu. And then we've got this banner. We've got the next banner with some advantages or features on them. Then we've got maybe an About Us area where you can write more about your company, maybe some of the history. And then we've got some icons with another button. Then we've got this area that's got some statistics. And then we've got a testimonial area and another area with a picture of the ice cream. And then, of course, the footer all the way at the very bottom with a newsletter sign up as well. So we've completely built out the structure of this particular website. And now the next really important thing we need to do is actually add the content or the information that you want your visitors to see for each of these areas on your website. So now that we've got this web page completely built out, let's jump into the next video and work some more on finishing our website.